In this video, I will share how to create a half-face text effect using Canva. First, enter the photo you want to edit. Then add a rectangle element and resize it until it covers half of the image. Then change the color to black. Duplicate the rectangle and place it on another part and change the color to white. Next, go to text and type the text you want. Then select a font. Here I use Anton and adjust it. After that, download this image. Then delete all elements in the workspace. Insert the photo we just downloaded. Go to Apps, find Blend Image. Click on this image and use on top. Click Use Selected Image. And click on this photo and use Bottom Layer and click Use Selected Image. Don't forget to change the blend mode to screen. Click Add to Design. And this is the result.